la la la. Do 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 do. All I have to do. Whenever you're ready, sweetie.
Okay. Let me just set up some stuff here. All right. I'll get that over there. Oh, it's gotta look just right. La 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 do do do. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is the lovely Hoa and the talented Natasha. Take it down, BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to these people.
BOOZHOO, Kakina. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the show.
And today, I was thinking, I had a weird dream last night.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I had a Bawaazh. I had a Bawaazh of my grandma, Ni Nokomis, my grandma. Actually, let's make Bawaazh the word of the day.
Oh, that's great.
Bawaazh is to dream. Bawaazhige is to have a dream. And dreams are really mysterious. Nobody really knows what that's all about. There's there's a lot of religious thinking behind dreams. There's some scientific theories about why we dream. And just, everybody has, we all know that these dreams are weird. That's the one thing. Sometimes I have dreams, lately I've just been having dreams where I'm editing the dream itself. Be like, oh yeah, I'm, something be going on in the dream. And then while I'm sleeping, I'm thinking, oh, I should put some music behind that.
Yeah.
That would sound good. Let's back that up. I think it's because we edit so much here. Anyway, so I had a dream about my grandma. And it didn't feel, like sometimes you have dreams. And, my grandma passed away years ago. Mm-hmm. And she came back to me in a dream. She visited me in a dream, as they say.
Oh, wow.
And in the dream, I didn't remember that she was gone. I was just really happy to see her. And she comes walking out, and she still looks like I remember her, except she's like super beautiful version of Grandma. She still had that white permed old lady hair, like they all get for some reason.
Yeah.
But this time it was like brilliant white and super thick. And she was really tall, and she had a beautiful blue like pantsuit. She was kind of dressed like Hillary Clinton when she was in better shape.
Oh, geez.
And she comes kind of strutting out like she owns the place. And then we just hug, and, we're really happy. Mm-hmm. And we dance. And I don't know. I don't remember what else we talked about. And it wasn't a sad dream, really. It was just like she came to visit me. I don't know. And so, I told that story before. When you have an interesting dream like that, sometimes the Mishnah will say, oh, go give some tobacco to your elder. You should go on a sweat. You should go fast, and you'll find what that dream means. And I don't know. I sometimes wonder, maybe we never find out what the dream means. Mm-hmm. We can just have theories. They just make you think. Anyway, Bawaazh, dream. 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 Dream, 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 Bawaazhike. Dream of something, la 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 la. Do 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 do. Whenever I want you, all I got to do is Bawaazh, Bawaazh, let's get out of here. All right. Well, hey, thank you for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Kigawabamin, min, minawa, hoa.
Oh.
I don't know. All right. Think that's good enough?
Oh yeah, that was actually kind of deep.
Maybe I hide and love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I hide and treat you quite as good as I should have. And if I made you feel second best, girl, I'm sorry I was blind. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Maybe I hide and hold you all those lonely, lonely nights. And I guess I never told you that I'm so happy that you're mine. The little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind. You were always on my mind. Tell me that your sweet love hasn't died. And give me one more chance to keep you satisfied. I'll keep you satisfied. Little things I should have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind.